Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Unit D Andy. So si Xiaomi to guys. So titingnan natin guys kung legit si seller Ang order ko dito guys is yung parang relo yata guys, relo.
Sinungaling!
Oh, si guys, si Xiaomi nga. So meron siyang free strap, tsaka free tempered glass.
Hindi, wow.
Redmi Watch 5 Active guys.
Pwede na!
So shield pa yan guys, shield, naka-shield pa.
Tanga mo naman!
So unboxing na natin to guys Si seller is legit guys. So ayun yung lumabas. Naipit guys. So ito. So meron siyang user manual guys. As usual, hindi naman natin binabasa to guys Si Redmi Watch 5 Active.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So gupitin na natin guys kasi masyadong nakaano Redmi guys, Redmi. So guys, legit si seller guys. So mamaya ko na ayusin guys. Pero legit siya guys. Thank you for watching.